Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about diversity of life in different habitats.
Let's begin. A habitat is the place where living things get what they need to live. Which image shows a habitat? And the correct answer is letter A, garden with plants, insects, and birds. Leo wants to make a nature list. Which place would help him list more kinds of plants and animals? And the correct answer is letter B, busy pond habitat. Which place has more living things? And the correct answer is letter A, forest.
Diversity means having many different kinds. Which place shows more diversity? And the correct answer is letter B, forest with birds and squirrels. A student sorts animals by where they live. Which living thing would most likely go in the lake group? And the correct answer is letter A, fish. Ben says a park with many plant parts can be home to many animals. Which image supports Ben's idea? And the correct answer is letter B, many plant spaces with animals.
A flower garden is buzzing with insects. Why might it have more kinds of insects than bare dirt? And the correct answer is letter B, flowers can provide food and places to visit. Which image best shows that wet habitats and dry habitats can have different plants? And the correct answer is letter A, pond with plants, playground with dry grass. What evidence should students use to compare the diversity of life? And the correct answer is letter B, the kinds of living things observed.
Kai is making an animal checklist. Which place would likely give him a longer animal list? And the correct answer is letter B, schoolyard with trees. What is the best way to record the living things found in each habitat? And the correct answer is letter A, draw or list each kind of plant and animal. Zoe notices a pattern. Habitats with water often have more types of living things. Which image shows this pattern best? And the correct answer is letter B, pond habitat with fish.
Why can a pond have fish, insects, and water plants, while a playground may have only a few birds and grasses? And the correct answer is letter A, the pond has water and spaces for water living things. Which image best shows that different habitats support different kinds of life? And the correct answer is letter A, different living things in each habitat. A class compares land and water habitats. Which observation is the best evidence that they do not have the same living things? And the correct answer is letter B, fish are in water, while rabbits are on land.
Which choice shows living things that can be observed in a pond? And the correct answer is letter A, fish, frog, duck, and water plant. Which habitat would likely have more kinds of living things to compare? And the correct answer is letter B, stream habitat. A class is looking for the place with the most kinds of living things. Which place would be the best spot to observe? And the correct answer is letter A, The school garden.
True or false? A school garden with grass and flowers can have more different living things than a concrete parking lot. And the correct answer is letter A. True. Which place has more kinds of life? And the correct answer is letter B. Pond. An insect is a small animal with body parts and 6 legs, which shows insects often found in a flower garden. And the correct answer is letter A. Bees, butterflies, ants, and beetles near flowers.
Students walk through a forest and an open field. Which observation is the best evidence that the forest has greater diversity? And the correct answer is letter B. The forest has more kinds of plants and animals. Which place has more kinds of plants and animals? And the correct answer is letter A. Stream. True or false? Land habitats and water habitats always have exactly the same living things. And the correct answer is letter B. False.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.